ultra-thin multimeter that can be stored. A product accessories, multimeter meter pen, instructions, packing box. Test lead storage bag cover box. NCV non-contact induction pump. "90-degree adjustable support frame. Data can be kept on the screen for recording. DC regulator voltage shows 15 volts, proof that the multimeter has high precision. Measure the AC voltage of the socket. The frequency of AC voltage commonly used at home is 50 Hz. The screen displays the red LED indicator flashes, and the alarm sound is a live wire, and the alarm frequency is slow to 0 wire. 9-volt battery measurement. 3-volt battery measurement. 1.5V battery measurement. TCAP-ACI-TANCE measurement. Turn the dial to the HFE position. Make sure that the transistor is of PNP or NPN type to measure. When the test leads are connected to both ends, there is a buzzing sound to prove that the line is connected. Diode gear accurately distinguish the positive and negative poles to measure the value. Adjust the multimeter to the resistance range.
mA DC current connect the test leads in series with both ends of the dotted line.
10A range AC current measurement.